Right, this is my second attempt for Nick Picks competition. My first attempt, I didn't have the keyway upside down. Also, I wasn't tensioning in the opposite way. So, my first attempt was not accepted. So, here's my second attempt. And I have been constantly practicing for 2-3 days. I didn't think I was going to get it done. I didn't think I'd be able to do it at one stage. Because I tried loads and loads of locks. I just couldn't do it the opposite way, and it really shocked me. You get complacent doing it one way, and when you got to do it the opposite way, I just couldn't do it, even with my right hand. Just couldn't do it. Because I've been lock picking about 6 months, and I did get complacent, to be fair, because I did a few locks and I thought, yeah, I had it sussed, and I stopped practicing. But this competition, you realise, God, I thought, why can't I tension the opposite way? I just couldn't do it. I was getting so angry, frustrated. I just couldn't do it. And I thought, what happened if someone asked me to help them? If they got locked out and I had to go to someone's house and it locks on the other side of the door and I have to tension this way. Yeah, I've got a flipper, but it defeats you. I just couldn't do it. Crazy. I can't believe how much difference and hard work it is to tension the opposite way. Also, I didn't realise that I had still so much to learn, and practice and technique. It really did shock me. So, I'm going to keep practicing and practicing, and not leave it so long without practicing. It's so easy not to practice and think, yeah, I've got it sussed. So, I've definitely got my practice in doing this competition. Not got to click. Hopefully this isn't a long video, it's going to be boring otherwise. I think I overset something. When you're practicing with your left hand, I think I had one drop. Little rotation. I think I've overset it. No, got another click, so maybe I haven't. Little rotation. I just had to give up then as well. So hard with your left hand, you really don't know. If you got to give up. Oh, done it. Finally. I was just about to give up as well. See, opposite rotation. And I just get the lock so you can see it's got all the pins. Oh. think it's a Chinese lock. It's the only one I could do on camera. Yeah, that's finally done. 2-3 days of headaches. You can see all the locks have been practiced in. I've gone through all them. I just couldn't to get a routine and do it so I could get it on the camera. Anyway, Nick, I finally done it. Thanks for giving me all the practice. Take care.